What's going on, everybody? It's your boy, the chosen one with the golden tongue. Sinach, the Mr. Never Ashamed. So honestly, thank yourself. And if I'm on your screens, you know there is a very important message that has been sent from God through my mouth to your ears. And that message is simply chosen ones. Chosen ones. Hold on, what's the message again? Deny access to the ones who take your energy for granted. Let me repeat myself. Deny access to the ones who take you for granted, chosen ones. Chosen one, you have to understand the limitless power you have inside of you that can't just be wasted on any simpleton Decepticon out here. You get what I'm saying? Some people out here are going day in, day out, struggling, trying to find a way to find solutions to make this other person in their life happy or satisfied when the person can never be satisfied. Like Prince's mother. Feel me? There's no satisfaction. You know? Some people, some chosen ones, literally have these damn Decepticons, these damn deceptioneers, these deceptionists around them when all they do is what? Say it with me. Practice the art of deception, chosen ones. Get away from the people that you know are wasting your time. Get away from the people that you know are not good for your energy. You know that they are not stable people. You know what I'm saying? These people are accidents waiting to happen, chosen one. And you can't waste your time being around these people, risking all that you're working on. Chosen ones, if you're watching to the point of this video, I know you work hard day in, day out to bring your vision to reality. To manifest your destiny, to manifest your goals, to celebrate your accomplishments. And if you have somebody around you that is just a negative Nancy, or is just all they do is complain, they just have this negative energy about them, what do you think that energy is gonna go? It's gonna go right onto you, chosen one, because you are a magnetic being. You get what I'm saying? On this electrical earth that we live on, you are a magnetic being drawing in all this energy towards you. So you have to make sure the people around you, they are substantial for your energy. You know what I mean? You can't have somebody around you that is just a negative, what's that word? Deficit in your energy. You get what I'm saying? You have to look at it like that. If you are this magnetic, powerful being that has the power to manifest and attract anything that you need, if you have a person that's a black hole next to you, where do you think all that energy and power will go? Where, chosen ones? It's gonna go down the toilets. And your boy C. Nashti is here telling you, for the simple fact that I've been through it myself, where I had to go slicing and dicing, I had to go cutting people off. You feel me? Like I was like Bruce Lee at a buffet, the way I was just slicing and dicing. I had to cut people off like a bad habit. The ones that I felt were just not good for my energy, the ones that I felt just weren't adding, they were subtracting. If you have somebody in your life that you feel is just a subtraction, they don't add anything to your life, any value, they don't even add a little bit of inspiration, get them away from you. Do yourself the favor. Your boy C. Nashti with the message from God through my mouth to your ears is giving you the message right now, so take heed to the message. Because you don't have any time to waste, chosen one. Time is a very valuable thing, and it can't be wasted with people with negative, toxic energy, environments with negative, toxic energy. It's all energetics in this energetic realm, chosen one. You get what I'm saying? So you have to make up your mind. It has to be mind over matter. Love these people from a distance. That's what I did. You see how far my hand is? I love them from a distance. Because if they get too close, they have the ability to mess up everything I got going on. Everything you got going on also, Chosen One. I'm telling you. Like I said, I was a victim of it myself until I had to pick myself up from the bootstraps, and I had to tell myself, you know what? Anybody that made me feel like a piece of trash, I dusted myself off and I told myself I'm not a piece of trash. And I made it where I needed to be. I got to where I wanted to be. Feel me? And trust me, Chosen One, they're gonna look back in such regret for the way that they treated you after you make it to the pinnacle of your success. On your way to the pinnacle of your success, they will be looking at you in such regret due to the simple fact that they know they could have treated you better. Huh? There were people in their life that treated them like crap, you know? And they treated them 100 times better than you. Yes, I had to pause right there for a quick couple seconds so you could really feel it. Because I know you've been there, I've been there myself. When you know that they did better by somebody who didn't do nothing for them. Somebody who had nothing in their heart for this person, you know? No inclination of love or anything. But you has that true, undying, unconditional, real love for this person. But yet, all they could do is throw it back in your face, you know? When you needed them the most, where were they, Chosen One? If they came, they probably gave you a little bit of sympathy and they left. Huh? They didn't give you the empathy that you needed. Get away from them, Chosen Ones. Your boy C Nasty with the message from God through my mouth to your ears is telling you right now, take heed to the message. Huh? Cut these people off and watch life get better for you. Watch life get lighter. Huh? Chosen Ones, a lot of you are earth angels out here, feel me? And you're around this damn demon, this damn Decepticon that does what? Say it with me. Practice the art of deception. That's all they do. And every single time you're around them, all they do is clip your wings. You're trying to fly off to new pastures and you can't because the damn demon in disguise is clipping your wings every night, every day, every night. Chosen Ones, when are you gonna say enough is enough? When are you gonna say enough is enough? Huh? I came to a point in my life where I said enough is enough. Huh? I was sick and tired of being sick and tired. So you know what I did? You know what I did? What'd you do, C Nasty? Tell us. I'll tell you right now what I did. I was sick and tired of being sick and tired. So you know what I did? I went to sleep and I healed. Huh? I was sick and tired, so I healed and then I took a nap. Huh? It's not as hard as people make it out as it seems to be. You know? Once you start cutting people off, it becomes so easy to do it because you respect yourself. You love yourself more than anything else. Feel me? Stop putting people on pedestals like this statue right here. Put yourself on the pedestal and then you do what you gotta do, Chosen Ones. If you're watching to the point of this video, I know you feel the fire and the passion coming from the screen, huh? It's your boy, the most electrifying man on YouTube entertainment today, huh? Telling you. Listen, if you like the video, just hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because guess what? I do this daily, trying to give out, not trying, because trying is a form of not doing, but I do this daily, giving out my opinion, giving out my testimony, so somebody could relate, huh? Somebody could relate and then make a change that they've been wanting to change, huh? Listen, I'm gonna do the outro now. I hope somebody's still watching. If you're still watching, hit that like button, huh? If you're still watching, say, I'm still watching, my boy, in the comment section. Feel me? Okay, here comes the outro. If you like the character also, subscribe to the channel. I'm a nice guy. I don't bite. Okay? Let's go for the outro. It's your boy, The chosen one with the golden tongue. La 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 la. Sinashti, Mr. Never Ashamed, so honestly, thank yourself. Voila.